The A5 Sportback combines the features of several Audis, the sweeping lines of the A5 coupe, the four-door layout and cargo space of the A4 sedan, and the convenience of the Q5 SUV's rear liftgate. Despite this Frankenstein formula, the A5 Sportback doesn't look or feel cobbled together. Just the opposite. It's rewarding to drive, with nimble sport sedan handling and a spirited turbo four-cylinder. Its sheet metal is Euro chic, and inside, its high-quality materials and minimalist design look great, although the interior gives up some rear seat spaciousness to its sedan sibling. But because of its playfulness and practicality, we're happy to forgive the A5 Sportback its few small flaws. High center-filled looks, sweet performance, hatchback versatility. Low's mediocre braking performance, tight back seat space, ordinary warranty coverage. Verdict: loads of driver engagement in an attractive, practical, and shapely package. What's new for 2018? Like the rest of the Audi A5's lineup, the A5 Sportback is all new from roof to road for 2018. This is the first year the A5 line's four-door coupe body style has been offered for sale in the United States. The Sportback wears subtly sporty sheet metal that is similar to what the A5 coupe and convertible are wrapped in, but adds a larger cargo hold with easier access thanks to a large rear hatch. Trims and options: we'd choose the A5 Sportback is well equipped in each of its three trims, Premium, Premium Plus, and Prestige, but we'd go with the mid-level Premium Plus, which adds niceties such as blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alert, LED headlamps, keyless entry with push-button start, and heated front seats with memory settings for the driver. We'd also select the $2,600 navigation package, which includes a larger 8.3-inch infotainment display, Audi's impressive virtual cockpit digital gauge cluster, access to Audi Connect Prime and Plus onboard Wi-Fi hotspot, live traffic updates, Google Earth connectivity, and much more. Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system is standard, and all models come with an overachieving 252 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-litre inline four engine under the hood. Is equipped. Our chosen A5 Sportback scoots in just under the $50,000 mark at $49,175. The A5 Sportback's standard 252 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-litre inline four, 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, and Quattro all-wheel drive make for a winning formula in both efficiency and performance. Smooth and sonorous, the 2.0-litre engine provides effortless power while the transmission shifts gears quickly and seamlessly. It's a polished and well-matched setup made all the more capable by standard all-wheel drive. In our 0 to 60 mph and quarter-mile testing, the A5 Sportback outran all but the significantly more powerful 365 horsepower Kia Stinger GT. Manual shifting capability: manual mode is accessed either by the shift lever or by the shift pedals mounted on the back of the steering wheel. Complete manual shifting control is not possible, the transmission will still upshift on its own at maximum revs. Not only does the A5 Sportback's powertrain over-deliver in the performance category, it also achieves excellent fuel efficiency. According to the EPA, the A5 Sportback is the most efficient four-door in this comparison. While the Audi matched its highway rating in our real-world testing, the BMW 430i Gran Coupe did even better, outperforming every competitor. We've devised our own fuel economy test in an attempt to replicate how most people drive on the highway. Our procedure entails a 200-mile out-and-back loop on Michigan's I-94 highway. We maintain a GPS-verified 75 miles per hour and use the cruise control as much as possible to mimic the way many drivers behave during long trips. With performance that comes very close to its hotted-up S5 Sportback sibling, the Audi A5 Sportback is a true sleeper sports sedan. Its nimble handling even bests an ultimate driving machine, the BMW 430iX Drive, and its ride is only slightly compromised by its athleticism. Acceleration: that the A5 Sportback can deliver the type of acceleration it does with just 252 horsepower on tap is remarkable. The 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission lets few precious milliseconds slip by between shifts, keeping the engine pulling strongly throughout acceleration runs. Around town, drivers of the A5 Sportback will relish the quick response underfoot, and passing on the highway is a breeze at any speed. Ride, handling, and steering. It's composed, confident, and easy to drive fast through corners. The A5 Sportback is everything a modern sports sedan should be. Its agility belies its comfort, too, and potholes and broken pavement do little to upset the Sportback, especially when it's equipped with the optional adaptive suspension $1,000 on prestige models. The well-weighted steering feels natural in the driver's hands, and the front tires respond immediately to driver inputs, making this Audi a joy to pilot on twisty tarmac. Braking. Despite its firm pedal feel, the A5 Sportback's sole dynamic fault is its longish braking distance. Among its rivals in this comparison, it delivered the worst result in our emergency stop testing. The A5 Sportback's cabin isn't as plush as some might expect from a luxury brand, but all of the materials are high quality, the fit and finish is superb, and there are enough high-end features to distance it from mainstream sedans. Rear seat passenger space isn't as generous as in the Audi A4 sedan, but it's spacious enough for two average-size adults, and for the slight sacrifice in rear headroom, you get the A5 Sportback's sloping roofline, which is far sexier than that of its 3-box sibling. Front seat passenger space of 5'7" tester demonstrates how easy it is to enter and exit the driver's seat of the A5 Sportback. Back seat passenger space of 5'7" tester demonstrates how easy it is to enter and exit the back seat of the A5 Sportback. It also shows how much knee-room there is when the driver's seat is adjusted for a 5'7" driver. Interior features. All A5 Sportback models come well equipped with luxury necessities such as power front seats, leather upholstery, a panoramic sunroof, ambient interior lighting, and 3-zone automatic climate control. Moving up the range to the Premium Plus adds heated front seats and memory settings for the driver's seat. Going for broke with the top-spec Prestige trim loads up the A5 Sportback with goodies such as a 12.3-inch digital gauge display, a larger 8.3-inch infotainment screen, and a host of other technology features that are available as options on the mid-range Premium Plus. The $1,250 S-Line Sport package adds sport seats with 4-way power lumbar adjustments along with a handful of exterior appearance features and is available on all trims. Seating and step-in heights. To accurately measure seating height, the distance from the row to the driver's hip, we use an point machine HPM, a precisely engineered device marketed by C International. This versatile tool, in conjunction with a laser device, reveals the width and location of roof pillar visibility obstructions, blind spots. Our HPM and laser measurement tools determine the length of road obscured by the hood as well as the road obscured by the trunk or hatch as seen through the rear view mirror. Blind spots, visibility, and obscured roadway outward visibility in the A5 Sportback is good, at least by our objective measurements. In the real world, the sloping roofline that gives the A5 Sportback its aesthetic appeal creates a narrow rear window opening and attendant wide blind spots on either side of the car. Sharply angled exterior mirrors complete the A5 Sportback's look but further limit rearward visibility.